Good morning to all the children. This video is for the subject of mathematics and we are going to cover a new topic, shapes. Lesson number 6 for class 2. So children, you have already learnt about the lines and their kinds in class 1. Let us see if you remember what we have learnt. The first line is straight line. A line drawn from one point, that is A, to the other, that is B, is a straight line. Number 2, curved lines. All lines are not straight. Look at this line from point A to point B. This is a curved line. Number 3 is a vertical line. Lines that are standing straight are called vertical lines. Next line is horizontal lines. Lines that are lying straight are called horizontal lines. And the last line is slanting lines. Lines that are tilting are called slanting lines, like this or like this. Now, let us revise the shapes. Shapes are of two kinds, plane figures and solid figures. A plane figure has only one face, like this, whereas a solid figure has many faces, like this. This is a face of a plane figure. The face has sides. The sides meet at the corners. The first picture shows a face. The second picture shows the sides of a face, like this. And the third picture shows the corners. Corner is a place where two sides meet. Some plane figures are: number 1, square. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. All its sides are equal. For example, a handkerchief, a carom board, or a chessboard. The next shape is rectangle. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal. For example, this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Children, this is a page and it is in a rectangular shape. The next shape is triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. The sides may or may not be equal. For example, chips in a triangle shape. Next shape is a circle. A circle has only one face, but it has no sides and no corners. For example, a bangle. Next shapes that we are going to learn are solid figures. Now children, look at this dice. Do you recognize its shape? It is a cube. Solid figures are figures that have more than one face. Let us look at some other solid figures and identify their faces. Some solid figures are: number 1, sphere. One comes across with many spherical objects in our daily life, like a ball, a balloon, a rasgulla, an apple, an orange, etc. A sphere has no sides and no corners. Number 2 is a cube. A dice is a cube. A cube has 6 faces and 12 edges. Children, let us count the faces of a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. Let us count the edges. The edges are where 2 faces meet. This is an edge. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So children, a cube has 6 faces and 12 edges. All the edges and faces of a cube are equal. Children, let us count the corners in a cube. A corner is a place where the edges meet, like this, this and this. 3 edges are meeting at a corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Objects shaped like a cube are called cubical objects. For example, this is a sugar cube. The next shape is a cuboid. Like a cuboid also has 6 faces and 12 edges. But in a cuboid, opposite faces are equal. Children, first of all, let us count the faces of a cuboid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let us count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, there are 6 faces and 12 edges. Now, let us count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, like a cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. The example of a cuboid is a matchbox. Next shape that we are going to take up is a cone. A cone has 1 edge but 2 faces. This is a curved face and this is a flat face. A cone-like objects are called conical objects. A cone has 1 corner. So children, a cone has 2 faces. 1, 2. 1 edge. 1 edge and 1 corner. A cap, an ice cream cone are conical in shape. Children, you know this vegetable? It is a radish and it is also in a conical shape. Children, this is a carrot. It is also in a conical shape. Everyone, you all are holding a pencil. Now see the tip of a pencil. It is also in a conical shape. The next shape is a cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces and 2 edges. Children, let us count the faces of a cylinder. 1 is the curved face and 2 are flat faces. A cylinder has 2 edges, 1 and 2. It has no corners. Objects in the shape of cylinder are called cylindrical objects. A candle is cylindrical in shape. So children, now you know the difference between plain figures and solid figures. With this, we come to an end of this video session. Thank you.